how to buy my life as Grok token. So this token came under the symbol of Grok. Now before we start, this is not much advice. I'm not professional or economic expert before investing in any project that you find on my channel. Please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money in Wilson crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screen. It was created 20 hours ago and increased by 7,000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, it is simple. Now we will use the Radium as to be able to buy this token. Now, connect your wallet first. Select your wallet for me. I will select the Phantom wallet. Now, I suggest to use the Phantom wallet. Now, if you don't see your token here, go back to this token page. Now, click here to copy the token address. Now, open the Radium again and click here, and as you can see, you can paste the token address in the search bar. So this is our token. Click on add token and click on it again to be able to see it here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now that, click on more info. So if you see this on red, just reduce the amount here to be able to see it in different color. So if you still see it here, as you can see, price impact warning, you can reduce it again. So reduce it to 50. As you can see, we can't be able to see it from or in the red again. Now after that, click here on stop and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Grok token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.